Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Stories by Oindrila, and I have something absolutely fantastic planned for us today. Today we are going to make a very nice salad using our mangoes, kacha aam. So, are you ready to make a nice, yummy, spicy som tam salad? Let's get started. So, the first thing we will do is we'll peel the mango. And then we're going to grate it. And the mango is beautifully grated. And now I'll take my mortar and pestle, maam dasta, and iske andar मैं डालूंगी 3 red chillies from my plant. I'm going to put in 3 tablespoons, around 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, freshly squeezed. Pinch of salt. Be very careful with the salt because the soy sauce that we'll use will have salt by itself. Then we're going to add in a teaspoon of soy to start with. I'm using light soy here. And a bit of garlic paste. Now I didn't have fresh garlic at home, so I'm using garlic paste, but if you have fresh garlic, use 2 cloves of that. And now I'm going to make this into a nice paste. And in this I'm going to add in some tomatoes. I've taken 1 tomato over here. Just a little bit. And there I'm adding around 1.5 tablespoon of gur, jaggery, and if you have palm sugar, that would be the thing to add. This is a Thai-inspired salad. There is a salad called som tam, which is made with raw papaya. So I'm not using raw papaya. I thought mangoes are in season. It's nice and sour. It's going to be really fresh and hydrating. So let's use that. And now it's time to taste the sauce. Oh wow, it's so yummy. It's lovely. Let's rest the salad now. And now I'm going to put in my mango. Here I have some sprouts. See, it's a healthy salad. Some fresh green beans which I've sliced finely. I'm going to toss this through. And iske andar I'm going to put in peanuts which I've roasted, around 3 tablespoons of that. It's going to add the crunch to my salad. And in this, I have some baby tomatoes, around 4 or 5 of them. I'm just going to toss those through too. The hit of mango, the hit of garlic, the tomatoes, it's just all just flavor bombs. And of course the lemon से citric acid जो रहता है, it's gonna be yum. It's gonna be absolutely a flavor bomb in your mouth. And the salad is ready. Let's plate it and eat it. All ready. I can't wait to dig in. It's beautiful salad. It's gonna keep you hydrated. It's very fresh, it's spicy, it's just gonna, it's a flavor bomb. So I can't wait for you guys to try it. And guys, please don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. And of course, press on the bell icon so that you get notified of any new video that I put up. Till the next time, I'm off to enjoy my salad. Bye.